In this video, we compare HS175D GPS Drone Package and HS700E Drone with certification. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The HS175D GPS Drone Package by Holy Stone offers a 4K ultra-clear camera featuring a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, ensuring high-resolution images and smooth, stable videos even under challenging conditions. With GPS auto-return, the drone can automatically return home when the signal is lost, out of range, or low on power, providing a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced flight experience is guaranteed with 2 batteries offering up to 46 minutes of flight time, along with features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, 1-key takeoff landing, and speed adjust. The drone is thoughtfully designed with a foldable fuselage, making it easy to store and portable for outdoor travel, and its weight is under 250 grams, saving users from FAA registration. It comes packed with intelligent functions, including the ability to trace and follow automatically, fly along a set path, circle around a point, and take photos or videos when you pose to the camera. With a review score of 4.1 and over 5,950 reviews, the HS175D GPS Drone Package is a highly rated product, offering excellent value for its price of $169.99. The Holy Stone HS700E Drone is FAA certified, ensuring compliance with regulations and providing an unhindered flying experience. Equipped with a 4K EIS anti-shake camera, this drone offers stable video transmission and a wide field of vision for capturing precious moments. The drone features GPS and GLONASS navigation systems, offering stable hovering and a reliable return-to-home function. The HS700E drone is packed with additional features like Follow Me, custom flight path, and smart return to home, all controlled via the Ophelia application. The drone comes with a modular battery and a premium carrying case, making it easy to use outdoors and safely store when not in use. The HS700E is extremely user-friendly, requiring no complicated preparation and featuring modules like altitude hold, headless mode, air pressure sensor, and optical flow. Both the HS175D GPS Drone Package and the HS700E Drone with certification are excellent choices for drone enthusiasts. They both offer 4K cameras, though the HS175D boasts an ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, while the HS700E features a 4K EIS anti-shake camera. Both drones also provide GPS-assisted flight, ensuring a stable and reliable flight experience. However, the HS700E also includes a GLONASS navigation system for additional stability. Both drones have a range of intelligent functions such as auto-return, Follow Me, and altitude hold. The HS175D stands out with its lightweight, foldable design and longer flight time of up to 46 minutes, while the HS700E shines with its FAA certification and premium carrying case. In terms of user feedback, the HS175D has a higher number of reviews, but the HS700E has a slightly higher review score. The HS175D is more affordable, but the HS700E offers some premium features for a higher price. Overall, both drones offer great value for their price and are packed with features that can enhance any flying experience.